So I was transferring some data over maybe a couple terabytes a few days ago, and I noticed some funky artifacts in Cockpit, specifically in the networking portion of Cockpit. As you can see here, you notice that the sending and receiving data is blinking. This started after, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes of trying to transfer or transferring terabytes of data from one computer to the other. Found that kind of odd. No other issues, and then after a while, after this blinking goes away, or the blinking does go away, it just goes blank, and you don't see anything in there. It kind of seems like it's a countdown timer, and then boom, it goes to nothing. There we go. Just went away. So then I scroll up, and they have in the networking, it'll show like a little screen of the data flow. We'll see that here. It will, instead of being the full length, like you see right there, after a while, the right side starts going to the left, so that there's a big gap. I think it's just a little error in the system, but thought I'd report it. See, here we go. It's moving to the left. For some reason, it's really crazy. And this is probably 10, 20 minutes after the sending and receiving has disappeared. Some kind of funky thing goes away, or something goes away here. But after a while, even that display there will go away to blank, and that's probably another 20 minutes. So my data transfer probably was, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. Not a big deal, but I thought I'd report to the people that take care of this sweet project. Keep up the good work. Thanks. Bye.